Hey guys, Tech in Arizona here. Some of you guys know I go antiquing, and I occasionally post some of my finds, like on my Facebook page or my personal page. And today I went out and got this antique Kenmore, Sears and Kenmore sewing machine. It's model 117 by 959. It's got a lower serial number, but it's still pretty high at 265,000, almost 266. It works and everything. Like, it's a like pedal, so you pedal it with your legs and instead of a foot pedal. And it still works. I got it plugged in. It still has the original plug. And it's also got the original light bulb right there. Turn on because it still works. See how bright that sucker is. It still works. Oh. It does have a little bit of an issue with one of the parts in the back. I'll show you in a minute, but it does work. It's got a ballpoint needle in it right now. That's what it came with, but this is the part that where it was sitting for a long time and just dried out on the wheel. That's why it made the bump 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 sound. But the wheel's in really good shape. It's all clean. No, not really any big dents in it. It's like mostly like little pits in it. Also, it came with these rotary attachments. Came with a little tool to clean it. Some of these pieces, but I had no idea what half this stuff's for. Like, look at that. Sucker's crazy. Pretty cool. Folds up. And then you just flip the table over and it's a desk. So that's about it. Thanks for watching. Happy hunting. This is just going to be the last little bit. Show you how you put it away. You do is you lift this up. Lift up this little piece of wood. Slide underneath. Push this down. I think it's missing a piece of wood right here, but I don't know what to do about that. And just flip this over and it away. I think it's been refinished, but it still looks okay. It has a little bit of a cut mark for not using toasters. Also got a little bit of a sewn marked into it right there, but it's pretty good. I like it. Just hide away your sewing supplies and you're on your way. That way it doesn't take up a lot of room. Thanks for watching.